Powering up your presentation. Embedding videos and audio. Hello everyone. In this video, we will be diving into an important aspect of presentation design: embedding videos and audio in your slides. Having multimedia in your presentation not only makes it engaging but also enhances the understanding of your audience. Why should we embed videos and audio in our presentations? Multimedia elements provide visual or auditory reinforcement of your points. They can 1. Simplify complex information. An animation or audio commentary can make intricate subjects easier to understand. 2. Engage your audience. A well-placed video or audio clip can captivate your audience's attention. 3. Enhance storytelling. Multimedia can help illustrate a point or tell a story more vividly. Next, let's discuss how to embed a video. In most presentation software like PowerPoint, you can do this by following these steps. 1. Go to the slide where you want to insert the video. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. In the Media section, select Video, and then Video on my PC, or Online Video. 4. Locate and select your video file. 5. Click Insert to place the video on your slide. The video can then be resized or repositioned as needed. Remember, it's crucial that videos directly support your message and are of good quality. Adding audio follows a similar process. 1. Navigate to the slide where you want the audio. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. Select Audio in the Media section, and then choose Audio on my PC, or Online Audio. 4. Browse and select your audio file. 5. Click Insert to add the audio to your slide. Audio can be a voiceover, background music, or any sound effect that helps your presentation. But always ensure it doesn't distract from your main message. Let's wrap up with some practical tips for using multimedia in presentations. 1. Quality matters. Use high-resolution videos and clear audio. Grainy visuals or garbled sound can be off-putting. 2. Keep it relevant. Ensure that all multimedia content directly supports your message. 3. Test before presenting. Always check your audio and video beforehand to make sure they work correctly. 4. Have a backup plan. Technology can fail. Be ready to present even if your multimedia content does not work. And that's how you can boost the impact of your presentations by embedding videos and audio. By doing this effectively, you can make your presentations more engaging and memorable. We hope this video has given you the confidence to try out these techniques in your next presentation. Happy presenting!